Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert image in Word document app on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Microsoft application, this one, and I'm going to open one of the Word document in this application. I'm going to open up this document. Okay, and before I insert image in this document, I'm going to click on edit, so I will be able to edit this document. Okay, and after that we can go to the insert menu. We just need to scroll all the way to the right like this until we find this symbol. Tap on that and choose an image you want to add to your document. I'm going to choose this one for instance, and we can click on this arrow. Okay, and before you insert this image to your document, you can edit the image. You can add filter and you can also crop the image, and then we can click on done. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now the image has been inserted in this document. Alright guys, and that's all the way to insert image in Word document app in mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.